Now we brush, night brush. Yes, I know I should be using other. It means open. Shh. Vaseline is a brand name that's really petroleum jelly. Holes in our teeth. And even at this, I can only do so much if I only have them for so long. But now that the issues have been corrected, so I need to keep on. Spit! Good job. Called Little. Thank you. But don't be so tense in there. Twice a day, every day, for 2 minutes. But I'm going to be seeing you in a couple days, so might have to pull out the tools. Please stop anticipating my moves, just relax. You're doing it, relax. Relax, thank you. Be alone for 5 minutes. What good you got? Gotta be committed. Even when you're tired, even when it's a long day, even on Halloween. And all the way through. Good job. Done. It's floss. Done.
We had floss.
Well, it's a really good thing when we run out of floss.
Why?
Because that means that we're trying to floss. It means that we are flossing. And if somebody doesn't finish their floss in the whole year, then that means they're not flossing. Just simple.
There's no flossing.
If you haven't finished the floss, then that means you don't floss.
Ow. Bingo, what the?
Good, relax.
Bingo one. Me.
Okay. Done. Open. Not bonus, but I haven't seen you in a couple days. Meaning you could have some.
You mean this?
Yes. Yep, right there. I'm trying to protect your tongue. Right there. Oh yeah. This This is the action. This is the real perks of having dad as a dentist. Yeah, build up. We don't floss and brush for 2 minutes. Happens so quick. Open. Right there. Open. All that stuff on there. And I brushed and flossed for 2 minutes. This is what happens when we're not brushing from the gum line. And now for 2 minutes. Sorry. Open. Hold it. Very sharp stuff. Right, now we floss.
Down.
That's better than
Down.
a little skimpy. Good job. I can see all of the grooves. It's good. There's nothing in there. That's how they should be going to sleep. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, open. Times I wonder when I get older and my hands don't work as good, who's gonna floss for me? Will it be one of you? And ask yourself that too. If you're still gonna have your teeth. Done.